Is it cold? Dude, you look like fucking Baywatch right now, running up.
That hurts so bad. The goddamn tourists were laughing at me.
Were they really?
Yeah, look.
Wait, tourists? We're tourists.
They're fucking tourists.
We're goddamn
That
tourists.
hurts so bad.
I fucking
Mateo, where are you going?
I'm my towel.
Alright.
I spilled a little split on your towel, but I'm fucking...
Dude, she's the one that spilled the fucking spliff.
I didn't spill... You spilled it before. I had to spill it. No. No.
I did not spill it before. I swear to God.
You have it, water because I'm a little parched.
Yeah, there's some water.
There's water right there.
Fucking shit,
I'm gonna
man.
take a little bit.
That really hurt.
But then I need to go to the bathroom.
What you do?
The fucking little
Lena.
pieces of shit that were
Then
growing up
I need
there.
to go to the bathroom.
Well, there.
Fuck,
No
man.
one's gonna. Well, are you gonna go up there, in the ridge?
No,
Don't go in the ridge. That's fucking retarded. Look, little thing's sticking to me still.
What the fuck is it?
It's like a little burdock thing,
guys,
but
I'm gonna
it's,
go
except
under
for it's sharper and stabs the shit out of you.
Listen, I'm gonna go back to the tent.
Fuck it, I'm not even going to pee.
Why are you going back all the way to the tent? There's a
I have
bathhouse
to.
up there.
I have to.
No, go up to the pier. There's a bathhouse.
Where the fuck is that?
The pier where we were yesterday.
No, that's
far.
fucking further.
Then the tent.
Yeah.
All right, then go to the tent. I don't care.
Fuck,
I don't
man.
care about you.
Fuck.
Why are you yelling at me?
I love you.
Why are you yelling at
I
me?
love you.
We love you, darling.
Can I have a camera?
Why do you want
Why
one
do you want a
camera?
camera?
So I can film you.
Why are you going to
Why
film
no?
us?
Because you're fucking retarded.
No, you're fucking
All right, we'll
retarded.
take the fucking camera.
I'm taking the fucking camera.
Why is she so mean? I don't know.
It's been going for 2 minutes and 11 seconds.
2 minutes. That's not a long time.
Wait, why the fuck do you have a food without me? I must stay for a little bit. I'm gonna stay for a little bit.
had to go to the bathroom.
No,
Go to the
no, I
bathroom.
don't. Not anymore.
So retarded.
You're
so fucking
you're
stupid.
so fucking stupid.
Dude, look at that fucking seagull.
Oh, fucking seagull.
Throw shit to them, they'll stay around and take shit on.
Yo, seagull, come here. I'm filming it.
Dude, they're coming closer to us.
Dude, I don't want them near us.
Yo, fucking seagull, come here.
It's fucking
It's
seagull.
a. What was it? It was a fucking seagull.
It's a fucking seagull. Dude, they're so cool. They're so white and stuff.
Oh my god!
You just freaked out.
He's talking to us.
It says.
You guys, we're gonna have fucking seagulls shitting on us while we're trying to tan. Fucking hell, man.
They're right fucking here.
I got them.
Maybe they want some spliff. Maybe we could go some spliff to them.
One like a seagull. Oh, never mind. You're just holding it up. Don't sit near us, you dumb.
Look how cool their arms are. Hi guys.
I hope I got that.
I have sand in my mouth.
Oh my god, they're fucking everywhere. This is fucking awesome.
Pigeon!
Pigeon! Oh my god, they're super
I don't want them near us. They're gonna shit on us.
Oh, my phone! Take it. Hermit. You, take it.
I have cheesy hands.
Oh my god. Oh, brilliant. Brilliant, mate, brilliant.
One like a seagull.
He's pulling it up. He's doing yoga. Run away! Run away! You guys are fucking idiots! Why'd you do this?
Because it's feeding